Welcome to this comprehensive guide on utilizing conference flags in your cloud phone system. This feature gives you the ability to control and customize the dynamics of your conference calls. Let's start by defining what conference flags are. Simply put, they're settings that empower you to tailor your conference to your needs. To incorporate flags, head to Applications on your cloud phone system dashboard and select Conferences. Identify the conference room you wish to modify with flags and click Edit. Scroll until you find the Flags field. This is where you'll input your desired flags. Let's use the Wait Mod flag as an example. This flag holds callers in a waiting state until a moderator joins the call. To add this, simply type Wait-Mod into the Flags field and click Save. Other commonly used flags include Mute and Deaf. The mute flag restricts callers from speaking until given permission by the moderator, while the deaf flag renders callers unable to hear anything until the moderator enables their audio. You can combine flags in the same field. Simply separate them with a pipe. We have listed all the flags you can use in the cloud phone system. Head to our Conference Flags blog for more details. And that's it. You're now an expert at configuring conference flags in the cloud phone system. Happy conferencing! Our customer support team is ready to assist you Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Want to learn more about our services? Book a 15-minute sales discovery call. Need technical help? Head over to our one-on-one 15-minute support video call. We look forward to hear from you. Thank you for choosing eToll-Free.